speeches when it comes sa youth, always nila ginahambal nga kamo ang future sa Pilipinas. Tama? Tinuod na, hindi. Pero I'd like to ask you a deeper question. Is it true in all of its sense? Akon po singhanon, tama ini nga statement as a whole or hindi? Kaya ko nagapati ako, this statement does not give you justice. Always telling us that the youth is the future does not take into account what the youth can do in the present. Sa subong pa lang, gusto ko lang mabalaan ninyo na biskan ano ka mga bata, you are already accountable and the society has high demands and regard for you. And this is why dako gid nga responsibilidad ang inyo inug-fulfill. Gusto ko lang matandaan ninyo that history does not wait for you to age and does not wait for you to mature. As early as 21 years old, Emilio Jacinto wrote the Cartilla. Sino sinigadumdum sa Cartilla, bay? Sibika at Kultura. Halaka. Okay, quiz night. joke lang. Ang Cartilla ang nag-serve as the code of honor sang aton katipunan. Amo na nga nagdugay sila, kaya nagapati sila sa set of rules. Andres Bonifacio was in his 20s when he started the revolution. What makes it more meaningful is Andres Bonifacio was not born out of privilege. He was just an ordinary worker who only believed in the idea that the Philippines should be free from influence. A few miles away from here, South Africa, 1976, the first walkout against the apartheid was started by a 13-year-old. Nga ginahambal ko ini sa inyo subong nga gabi. Ginahambal ko ini because the wisdom there is this. Feeling ready is just a feeling, but being present is a decision. So what simple wisdom I want you to take away from tonight is this. Rivers carve out canyons, not through force, but because it does not stop. And sometimes, biskan ano ang inyo ginahimo, hindi nyo maabtan ang epekto sini, pero at the end of your life, mabalaan ninyo kung nakakontribute ka. This is why kagina sa nagahambal si John Gabriel nga it is hopefully a success at the start. I don't agree. John, this is what I want you to remember. Success is always determined at the end. And this is what I want all of you to remember because I see a bright future in Sapian. The fact that an ordinary Sapianon has performed throughout generations sa previous leaders naton, sa aton mga ginikanan, it shows you nga ang Sapianon is not just an ordinary Kapiseño, but Sapianons carry this heritage with pride. And tonight, I want all of you to know that in your journey, hindi kamo isahanon, may ara kamo gyapon palapitan, ari lang kami gyapon para sa inyo tanan. Sa kabataan sang Sapian, may your generation exceed what we have done, and may your generation show the truest sense of success for all of you. Madamo gid nga salamat, and I hope mag-enjoy ka mo sa buong gabi.